What's up creatives, Seb here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to grow more engaged followers on Instagram with the $80 strategy in 2021. So if you're not familiar with the strategy, it's all about engaging with new people on Instagram in a very targeted and strategic way. The idea behind it is that you leave your 2 cents on 9 different posts in 10 different hashtags, equaling to 180, which gives the name the $80 strategy. By doing this, you are driving targeted accounts over to your profile and then converting them into followers. And because this whole strategy is very targeted, each new follower you're getting is going to be really valuable to you. Now I know you're thinking posting 90 comments a day is going to be a lot of hard work, but it turns out it's actually really easy to do with today's sponsor, $80. The awesome part of this strategy is you don't actually have to post 90 comments a day, and the $80 tool is going to help you guide you in the right direction by helping you find relevant pieces of content to interact with and show you how many comments you're making per day with the $80 widget. And another cool part of a $80 widget is that you can target different types of content. So you can target specific hashtags, you can target locations, and you can also target Instagram profiles, but we'll talk about that a little bit later throughout the video. So once you've added the $80 Chrome extension to your browser and created an account, you should be on a similar page to this. And I've already gone ahead and created my own custom audience, so I have some hashtags, locations, and profiles. So the idea of the targets is that you build your own audience because you're going to be interacting with these people, trying to build a relationship with them, and then convert them into followers. So once you've set your audience, you can then go ahead and start interacting and engaging with people. So you can head over to the Explore tab, which is essentially the Instagram Explore page. So you can see straight away when the post was made, and you can also see how many comments and likes there are on each post. And if you go ahead and click on it, then you can see a little bit more information about the profile. You can see the comments, you can also like, follow, and then if you click on this button right here, it will take you straight to that post on Instagram. And on this section right here, you can see all of my most recent comments. So if I click on here, you can see that it's added a comment, but obviously this isn't going to be related to this post. So I want to make something a little bit more meaningful. And once you have left a meaningful comment, it'll then update on this tab right here. So you can see how many comments you've made every single day. If you don't like any of the posts you see on the Explore tab, then you can go straight to the post section, and you can see right off the bat that it's really awesome because it sorts it out by all of your hashtags, and you can see the similar stuff, so comments, likes, and when it was posted. And you can also see if you viewed this post before, where it has this little eye. And if you don't want to go to hashtags, you want to go to locations or profiles, then you can click on either of the targets and then it will take you straight here. So what's awesome is that you can do all of your engagement straight in the $80 app, but you can also do this straight within Instagram. So obviously you downloaded the $80 extension. So whenever you open up Instagram, it will also open up with the $80 widget. So with the widget, you can also track all of your progress, and you can scroll through your hashtags, your locations, and your profiles. And what's awesome is whenever you click on one of the hashtags or the locations, it will take you straight to that section within Instagram. So if I wanted to have a look at all of the Premiere Pro hashtags, I just click on the Premiere Pro hashtag widget and it'll take me straight there. And same thing with the profiles and locations. I go on Odd Right's page, it will take me to all of his tagged posts. So then I can start interacting with all of these posts. So let's go ahead and scroll until we find something interesting so we can post our 2 cents on it. So we can see right here, there's an Instagram reel. Hopefully this is interesting. I can leave a meaningful comment. And if it's not, I'll find something else and leave a meaningful comment on here. So to me, this just looks like they've edited their photo. It's not that interesting. So I'm going to keep scrolling until I find something cool. So this looks pretty cool to me right here. It looks like there's like a long exposure light trail. So let's have a look at that. So the photo itself looks really, really cool. So I'm going to leave a comment on this for sure. Let's go ahead and like. We can see in the description that he says behind the scenes coming soon. And to be completely honest, I would love to see the behind the scenes of this. So I'm going to leave a comment related to this. So I'm going to say, yo dude, this looks absolutely awesome. Please let me know when the behind the scenes is up. I'm going to press post, and then I've just left my comment, and you can see on the widget that it's updated my recent comment to this. So I can then click on that comment, and then that'll paste that into another post that I found. But obviously you only want to do that if it's relevant to that specific post. And you can also see on the widget it's added an extra comment, so I can keep track of all of the comments that I've made. So I've just left a comment on that post, so essentially leaving my 2 cents on it. And you can go the extra mile, liking the post and following them if you genuinely do like their content. And that's going to increase the chances of you building a relationship with them and then converting them into a follower. So that's pretty much it on how the $80 strategy works and how you can grow with a targeted audience. As you saw, it's super easy to do, and the app really does help you guide you in the right direction, finding new relevant content. You can also keep track of all of the comments that you can make, so that's also super awesome. And if you do want to try out the $1.80 tool, then you can click on the link in the description down below and sign up for free. And if you wanted to upgrade to their premium plan, which I do recommend, you can use code 2021growth for 1 month completely for free on me. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you did learn something new, and if you did, do smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.